Alright, so welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this vehicle. So first of all, you inspect the items, make sure they're all good. And then the items the pieces that have the sprue, need to cut the sprues. So that's what we're doing here. And there's actually not much at all, but there is this one piece here, so go and clip that like this. Clip away, clip away. Okay, so we clip that away. So we're done actually the clipping away process. Less clipping away than other ones from Miniature Tanks Company. So here you go. First of all, let's just put some glue here. And this is like the most important piece of this kit, because it makes sure these wheel wells all line up and stuff. That's why I was saying it was quite important. Just make sure it lines up well like that. Alright, so the next item that we want to put together is put some glue like that, and go ahead and put this piece like that, and make sure that this looks like that. Simple enough. So here we go, put that like that, and then you can reference. So it's just put some glue here on these edges. And put that down there. Very good. Mission accomplished. Up next, of course, go ahead and put some glue here. And put that like there. That's the way that should be looking. And then why not go ahead and put some glue on the edges here. Oops, that fell apart. Okay. And then just put some glue on the edge there. Put that piece like that, the covered portion of this vehicle. So apparently I didn't put enough glue there. Hopefully you did. All right. Yep, just make sure that that's all good there. Make sure that that gets in the center there. Should be not having to do this step. You should have been having the glue already there, but mine fell apart, so sorry about that. All right. Next, now let's continue to the next step. Put some glue here. That really is not working. So let's go ahead and put some more glue. I don't know why this Loctite is not working for this at the moment. Alright, so now try to go and put this down. And hopefully this time it will just go ahead and work. Alright, I pressed firmly, and I think that's what will make it bond. So next, go ahead and put a little glue there. Put this piece like that, where these details are facing the front. So yeah, just reference and make sure that it's looking like this when you put that together. Very good. Well, next, why not go ahead and put this little trailer hitch on. Go ahead and put that piece in. That's the way that should look like. Good. Put some glue down because we're going to put the wheel and the track on. Now just make sure that axle goes in the center of the wheel there. That's looking good. And make sure that the track, this part, goes facing forward. And try to get that axle in the center as well. Just referencing it based on those looks. Now let's do the other side. So, same thing. I'm putting these tracks like that. And then the wheel axle into the center. Good. Last but not least, we glue together this scraper. Go ahead and put this piece like that. And then go ahead and put that piece like that. Very good. That's done. Now, this vehicle doesn't need a scraper, but if you do, you can glue that on there. Glue it on down or up. I'll put it up this for the pictures for Miniature Tanks Company. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.